now with fills. Here we go. B, A, we'll stop right there for now. Just a quick review, the fill was right up here, 3rd fret on the 1st string. I think I'm going to sneeze, guys. 2nd string, 5th fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, 4th fret. Probably a good idea to grab it with your middle finger. Then 3rd string, 2nd fret, you can just slide back for it, and you can even actually do a little slide, a little glissando. And there's your 2nd fret, open, 3rd string, and then finally 4th string at the 2nd fret. So there's your E pentatonic minor. Once you get a feel for how many beats you have available, you can play whatever you want. So anything that'll fit in the amount of time, the challenge is to get back to playing rhythm again, right on beat 1. So... you get the idea. Now, some of what I played you can find by listening and by imitating and just sort of playing around and getting a feel. Now when I say listening, I'm talking about listening to blues music, listening to other musicians. On the other hand, sometimes you need to find some transcriptions. Maybe you need to have somebody show you a few little kind of idiomatic blues licks. So I wouldn't expect you to necessarily start sounding like a blues musician right away. But as I said in class, you can't play anything wrong with these notes. They're all going to sound good, and in fact, remember, you can play many of the in-between notes. So don't be afraid to have fun with that. Try it by yourself the way I just showed you, or find a friend and have them keep rhythm for you. Or record yourself playing rhythm for 2 or 3 minutes, and it doesn't have to be perfect, and then go back and try some of that. Or one more idea, find a backing track on YouTube for an E blues and experiment with just those notes. When you see people flying all over the neck, if they're playing an E blues, they're still primarily only using these notes, but finding them on other areas of the fingerboard. So if you can do it here, you can transfer that information other places. All right, I hope that's been helpful. Have some more fun with green onions in my green room, and I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.